Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today you're gonna learn how and why we use RAM instead of pixels. So let's get started. Here we will change all the pixel units into RAM units. And why we have to do this? See, it's quite simple. Because we want an easy way to change all the measurements of our page with one simple setting. For example, when we open our sites on the mobile phone, then you can see all the measurement decreases at the same time. So instead of writing lots of media queries, we can do one simple thing. We can change our global setting, which is our global font size. So let me show you how it works. First, you should know that RAM is related to the root font size. It means one RAM is equal to root font size. 16 pixel is default font size, but we will define it 10 pixel for easier calculation. So we always define root font size inside HTML tag. So here we go. Now our 1 RAM is equal to 10 pixel. Now to convert every pixel unit to RAM, we just need to divide them with 10. So in the header, it will become 4 RAM. Now this will become 0.2 RAM. Here in box 1, it becomes 1 RAM. And this will become 2 RAM. And here 3 RAM. Now let's see the website. So this is the website of this code. Let's refresh it. So it remains same. It means we have done everything right. We need to still improve this because it is actually a really bad practice to set the font size in pixels as well. So up here, it shouldn't be 10 pixels. The problem is that by doing so, we actually overrides to browser's font size setting that the user can manually change in the settings. Many people with bad eyesight actually do that. They actually increase the default font size of their browser. So if we set the font size to 10 pixels like we did here, then we remove the ability for these people to see our website properly because they no longer can change default font size. Well, they can, but that would not affect our root font size here. So this is a really bad practice. That's why we will change overall font size to percentage here, which will translate to a percentage of the font size given by the browser. Now the default font size, if the user doesn't change anything, is 16 pixel. So if we put 100% here, this would mean the root font size will be 16 pixels if the user doesn't change anything. What if the user changed root font size, let's say 20 pixels, then it would be 100% of 20 pixels. But we don't want 16 pixel, what we want is 10 pixel. So it's very simple. What we want, we will divide that with 16. I'm using calculator here. So 10 divided by 16. So 0.625%. 0.625%. Now that's it. That's the whole technique. So that's all for today, guys. If this video makes sense to you, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.